Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So in this episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a car vacuum that's in use. Obviously for this one in particular, you guys are not forced or restricted to just using a car. You guys can basically use it anywhere as you want to, since it is a wireless cordless vacuum. But first thing first, let's actually open the product to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside right there. So there's definitely a lot of different parts inside right there, and the actual vacuum in the middle right there. So let's take everything out first. So definitely the first thing you can see right here is all the accessories. So they provide you guys a different heads and different parts on the actual product itself. Let me actually open this up and show you guys what each one looks like. Alright, so here's the first thing you can see right here. So they provide you guys a little cleaning tool so you can actually use it to clean it if you guys need to. And then right here is one accessory head that you can use, like a little brush. And then here's another part of the actual product itself that you can use to sweep certain parts that I can't reach with the vacuum itself. And right here they provide you guys a mounting accessory that you can use to mount the charger itself. They do provide you guys a little bag that you can use to carry the accessory and the vacuum itself. And right here they provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product itself and all the different functionality that's on here. And then right here is the actual charger itself. Let's take it out. Alright, so this is basically what the charger looks like. So you can mount this on the wall if you guys want to, but you guys don't have to. And this is the outlet that you want to plug it in to recharge the actual product itself. And then last but not least, we have the actual vacuum itself. Alright, so right here we have the vacuum. Let's open up. So this is basically what the vacuum looks like right here. If you can see, it looks really nice. I definitely love the design of the little white color that they have right here. It definitely looks very clean. So this is what it looks like on this side. This is what it looks like right here. This is what it looks like on this side. Bottom part and the top part. So we have to go on the bottom part right here. This is basically where to plug in the cable to charge it. So basically you just want to slide it in here like this. Lock it in. Make sure it goes all the way in, and then start charging the product itself like that. And the product itself is pretty lightweight as well, so you don't have to worry about it not supporting the weight of the actual vacuum itself on this mounting accessory here. So I'll definitely show you guys the charging test in a second. If we take a look on the top part right here, you guys can see the button to activate it and turn it off. And here's a button to take off this part right here. So I push this part out. You guys can take it out like that. And right here is the filter that you guys can actually take out and wash it if you guys need to. But that is basically what the inside looks like right there, if you guys can see. Once you guys are done cleaning the product itself or whatever, you guys can put it back in here, snap it back in, and it's all set. And then obviously if you guys want to turn on the product, just press right here. So just press it and see what it sounds like. Alright, so that is basically what the product sounds like and how it works. So when you guys want to activate the product itself, you just want to press and hold it down for a few seconds. It mentions 1 second right here. And then when you guys are done using it, just press it one time to turn it off. So I definitely have to test out the suction power on here and see how well that performs. If you guys are curious about how strong the motor or what's the power that's on here, you can refer to this image right here. If you guys are curious about how to wash it and everything, you guys can refer to the image right here. And then in terms of all the different tools that's included in the packaging itself that I showed you guys earlier, if you guys are curious about what each one is for and how to actually use it, you guys can refer to this image right here. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let me charge it up to show you guys how to charge it and whether or not it actually works while we're charging the product itself. And then we're going to test out the DB after that, and then we're going to actually test out the product itself. Alright, so we got a charger right here. So you just want to slide it in right here, all the way. And once you guys have it plugged in, you guys can see a red indicator right here to show you guys when it's charging. And I believe once it's fully charged, that light should either turn green or should turn off. Now let me actually try to turn it on while it's charging and see whether or not it actually works. So you guys cannot use the product itself while it's being charged, but you definitely use the product itself once you guys unplug the charging cable itself. Now let me try the DB to show you guys how loud it is. So we got our tester right here. Let me turn it on. Alright, so you can see that it's pretty loud. It's not under 72 like it mentioned, so it is pretty powerful. So that's not a huge issue for me, honestly, because if it's that powerful, that means it should work really well. Now let me test out the product itself and give you guys a demo of what it actually would look like and how well it works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so see I have some trash right here that I just made myself. So I'm going to test it out using the cordless vacuum right here and see how well it works. So what you guys want to do is press and hold it down. Alright, so you can see all of it inside right there. So it actually does work. So once you guys are done vacuuming or whatever and you guys want to throw away, all you need to do is push this part right here. Take that part out. And then you want to take this part out and throw away the trash. Alright, so I have my little trash pan right here. Open this part up. And for the filter itself right here, you guys can definitely wash it. So we have all the trash right here. Pour it out. So the maximum right here, so once it fills to this part right here, you want to get rid of the trash ASAP. If you guys want to use the other heads, you definitely can as well. So in this case, we're going to use this head. Stick it in there like that. turn it on. And start using like that as well if you guys want to. Or just use the product itself without any of the accessory hits. Welcome back guys. So next I'll quick test the product itself. As you can see, it actually does work and it works quite well. It definitely works pretty well of actually cleaning the product itself in the floor, the benches, your chair, or wherever you guys want to use it. That's up to you guys. But definitely pretty cool how they provide you guys the different tools or accessories and turn the different brush heads and accessories right here. So that way you guys can actually use it for different scenarios, whether you guys want to use it for the corner area where you guys can't reach with this part right here. Or you can use the brush option to clean up any like pet hair or whatever, which is pretty cool as well. But definitely one of the coolest thing about the product itself is the fact that it's rechargeable and it's wireless. So you don't have to plug in a cable to use it. And that way you guys don't have to worry about a cord being plugged in all the time and getting tangled up somewhere or whatever. But the bad thing about this cordless vacuum is the fact that once the battery is dead, you have to recharge it before using it because you guys can't actually plug in the cable to use it while it's being charged. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we could unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that this product is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a portable, rechargeable car vacuum that can use basically anywhere like I mentioned. You guys are not restricted to just using at home, but you can definitely use it in the car, at the office, or anywhere else as well. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.